Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can make your Instagram story icons smaller. But before moving forward, first make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. Well, if you have been facing a problem where your Instagram story icons are appearing bigger than usual, then here I can show you a few steps, a few ways to deal with the issue. So first open your Instagram and see if your story icons are normal in size or bigger. If the size is not normal, then go back to your home screen and open the settings of your phone. Scroll down and open the option Apps and Permission. Now tap on App Manager and find Instagram. Now tap on Storage option and here clear data and cache. Once it's done, go back then and uninstall your Instagram. And then again go to Play Store on Instagram. Install the app. And then open or log into your Instagram account and see if it helps or not. And if still doesn't help, then open your Instagram and open your profile. Tap on the menu icon and then go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on help. Go to report a problem. Now here you can briefly explain your problem and report it to Instagram. That's all everyone. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.